Exploring Technology with Wix Websites. This is the link for the Wix website. Some advantages of using Wix websites. There's instant access to projects and information. There is less chance of lost data. It reduces paper usage within the classroom and at home. It is easily shareable with peers and adults. It is personal to the specific student. It gives students the chance to reflect on their progress over a period of time, whether that be a quarter, a semester, or even across the full year. And it increases student engagement. Although there are many advantages, there are some disadvantages as well. Some disadvantages include access within the school building. If you are using this website, you want to make sure that the school district did not deny access to that specific website. It is free to create, but there are some add-ons that do require payment. Does it work across different computer brands like HP and Apple? So if students want to work on their portfolio at home, maybe they have an Apple and it wouldn't work so well on that device. So we want to make sure that it works across all different computer brands. And students who are not comfortable working with technology, they might be a little hesitant to be as creative as they could. Some uses of using the Wix website are that students can show off their skills. It is a secure place for them to store their experiences, projects, and other works, and students can go back and edit it at any time. Some creative uses are that they can add color of their choice. They can add pictures, videos, music, personalized information, and there are endless opportunities. They can be as creative as they would like to be. When interviewing colleagues, some of them used this website in college, some of them have used it with their students. So in a summary, they said that it's easy to create the portfolio if the student or adult take the time to learn about the website's capabilities. There are so many possibilities on the website that it could be overwhelming. So it's important that they take the time to really move around the website and determine what its capabilities truly are before creating something. It gives the students the ability to be as creative as they would like. If they want to add a lot of color, they have the ability to do that. If they prefer more black and white, if that's their angle, they can do that as well. And it's easier for teachers to pinpoint the students' struggles and their strengths. So as soon as they open up that portfolio, they're easily able to see what are they good at, what do they need help with. Is there anything that we can take from just looking at the main page of the portfolio?